Hello, this is Bella's mummy, Toasty Joe, and Barney Boo's.
If you've watched
Stave your face. Yes.
And Ella, what's your thing? Ella, what's your thing called again? I don't mean like the fluffy slime one. I meant BFF slime. If you've watched BFF Fun, you might see this girl in here right now. This girl, I'm Ella. Your YouTuber.
The one with the attitude. Anyway, this is her mother, and I wanted to share a really exciting experience, something I've learnt. I'm sure lots of other people have done it many times before. But I microwave ice cream.
Mum!
Look how amazing that is.
Yes, it's satisfying.
Look how gloopy, and like you don't have to stir it for ages now. You can just put it in the microwave and have...
it's really hot.
It's not, it's just like, oh, it's amazing. So there you go, there's my...
Oh my gosh.
There's my thing.